na. Don't ninja pool, thank you. And let's go. Bloodlust. Thank you. Go green. Go green, go green. Ginasuka, stay cut form. Yeah, thank you. All DPS, go green. I'm going to stay on the Big Ma on your Sarge. Picks of the trade on Ayan. Okay, stack. Stack hard, stack hard. Don't go too far because the damage of the red stem will pop. Okay, stack harder. Voodoo, team, lapit ka pa, lapit ka pa. DPS the ads, thank you. Focus the ads, focus the ads. Thank you. Okay, this is going better than usual. We just need to pray to the gods that they doesn't summon a shitty combination. Kill the tank. Kill. Go purple. Okay, we have a good combination. Go purple, go purple. Thank you. Pray to the gods, 65% that we don't get shitty combinations later. Okay, stock again. Thank you. Same as earlier, stock. A little bit closer. Wait. Yeah. Hunter, you can put frost trap or the one or ice trap. I forgot the name. I'm also Hunter, but I really don't remember the name of that one. So that you can slow the ads, or you can pop it on under your Surge. Go yellow, go yellow. I don't want to fuck up the raid. Go yellow. Yellow will fuck us up again. So you need Seltsam, also Innervate Seltsam. Someone Innervate Seltsam. Seltsam, you're going to need to pop your Tranquility on the face. Probably. We'll see. Oh, kill the Pokemon. Thank you. Stuck again, stuck closer. Stuck with the raid. And pop your trunk. Pop your... What the fuck? What was that?